Ever wondered how a small fintech company became a financial powerhouse disrupting the industry on a global scale? Let's dissect the meteoric rise of Revolut and uncover the secrets behind its jaw-dropping growth. Revolut's innovative core features set them apart from traditional banks. Think seamless currency exchange with minimal fees, cryptocurrency trading, budgeting tools, and disposable virtual cards for secure online shopping. This all-in-one financial hub attracted users seeking convenience and control. Their marketing strategy skillfully targeted a younger, tech-savvy audience through social media campaigns, influencer collaborations, and a generous referral program that incentivized user growth. By understanding their target demographic, Revolut built a viral user base. Expanding beyond its initial launch in Europe, Revolut strategically rolled out services in new countries, customizing its offerings to meet local needs and regulations. This global outreach was crucial to establishing a worldwide presence. From a humble startup to a fintech giant, Revolut's journey exemplifies how innovation, targeted marketing, and strategic global expansion can fuel explosive growth by identifying and catering to evolving consumer needs. Revolut has undoubtedly reshaped the financial landscape. Subscribe for more deep dives into business growth strategies. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow entrepreneurs.